What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me as we conclude Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series, the COVID edition. In the previous episodes, we discussed a lot of golden nuggets. How to think, plan, manage, and advertise like an entrepreneur. We also covered how to market like an entrepreneur, how to manage sales and manage risk like an entrepreneur, how to grow your business and absorb losses like an entrepreneur. And then we covered how to reduce production and operation costs like an entrepreneur, along with some other miscellaneous tips for new entrepreneurs. When it comes to business, there is one thing that is certain, and that is there is no certainty in business. Even the best entrepreneurs fail from time to time. But with the insights in this series, you will be able to lower your chances of failure. If you apply what you've learned in this series, you will be able to see problems even before they happen. This way, you will be able to take the necessary steps that will prevent the problem from occurring or from causing significant damage in the event problems do arise. Of course, all the tips and insights discussed will be very difficult for you to remember. So I encourage you to review the episodes again whenever you have the time. This is the best way to instill and implement the principles in this series. And if this is your first time venturing into business, I advise you to start small in the beginning. Don't jump ahead making large capital investments because you're still learning. And this series is not enough to teach you everything you need to know about business. Experience is still the best teacher. And this is especially true in doing business. There are many things that only you can do and only you can learn on your own. So start small at first and take time to learn. Once you gain more experience, you can then aim for higher goals. Also, this series is only meant as a reference. The world of business is governed by many unpredictable things. Therefore, you must act based on the situation at hand. This series is not a solution to all problems that you'll face as a businesswoman. Rather, it's designed to make you a better entrepreneur, the kind of entrepreneur that can handle problems based on the situation. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If this is something you have struggled with, how did you overcome it? Is there anything that you're going to do differently or try out? Hit me up on my Facebook page at Enjoyyourlegacy or subscribe to my YouTube channel at Teresa R. Martin. I want to wish you the best of luck with your business ventures. Keep dreaming and keep aiming high. Remember, whether you are looking to build, grow, or master your business, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it. Until next time.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.